Hello everyone, we're here today with Ven Hill and we're going to show you how easy it is to fit some of their new throttle cables to your bike. We're going to use this lovely old Suzuki GSX R 750 S-Rad as an example. And throttle cables, quite often you ignore them, you don't think about them, but over time they get stiff and hard, and it makes a real difference to the way the bike can feel. I've got a top man helping me today. I've got Dan from DM Performance. He is the grown-up in this situation. He will make sure that everything goes right and is super safe and done properly. So, good job. Lovely fresh new cables in. These have seen better days actually, so that's good work. The thing to remember when you change throttle cables, there's a little bit of a safety aspect to think of there, because you don't want if you have it too tight and you turn the bars, the revs might rise, and you just want to make sure you've got enough free play at the end so that when the bars turn, you're not going to have any tension on the cable. So just double check that before you're finished.